Today, we're going to take a look at the drain pipes, and so we want to check them with a waterproof inspection camera today. This one will also be interesting because it's so close to the wall here. You can see that something has definitely fallen in here. So we'll be looking inside the pipes today. We'll show you how we do that now.
A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you to the waterproof inspection camera from the manufacturer PCE Instruments, model PCE-VE 380N. The device is delivered assembled as shown here, with the handpiece on top and of course a good carrying case. The camera head diameter is 28 millimeters and is waterproof, and the total hose length is 30 meters. And as you can see here, it is even possible to see how many meters have been unwound from the cable reel using the display at the bottom. The device can be switched on simply by pressing the red power button. The display and the device then go up and the camera is ready to go, as we can see here. Equipped with 8 LEDs, so that you also have good lighting in darker areas. As already mentioned, these 8 LEDs provide good lighting, and the built-in camera has a resolution of 640 by 480 pixels at 30 frames per second. Here on the side of the handset, the SD card, which of course comes with 32 gigabytes, is inserted, and then photos or video recordings can be made directly. Photos can be taken very easily by double-clicking on the large button, which is also displayed here directly. And if you want, you can also record a video, double-click to start, and we can see the time running here. Hello, there I am in the picture, as it records. Double-click on it again, and the video is saved on the memory card. Here on the side behind the protective cap, we have the AV connection, and also the charging device with the enclosed 3.7 volt charger. The internal battery is charged, and you can easily use the whole device on the construction site or anywhere else without a power supply. Yes, and now let's just test the inspection camera here too. I go over here and insert it into this drainage pipe. Look at it at the same time, and you can already see. I'll also show you this video at this point, that 1 or 2 patches of concrete have already become a little firmer in here. I've just gone through it and had a look inside, and I've also seen that there are a few stones in there, but they can be pushed away really easily thanks to this good device, this holder here at the front, so that shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, I simply feed the cable through here, and the camera pushes itself along perfectly and rolls off the cable drum perfectly. So that's easy, and it makes really fun. Very good. We can see again that if I go back a little bit at this position, bang, we can get around the corner quite well, and we can see again that there is still a bit of dirt here. But I think that water could flush out the drain here. And you can see how many meters it goes in here, which is quite a long way. And if we look here now, we can see the end at this point, because this part is not yet connected to the sewer, this pipe here, or the whole house. And you can see all these stones lying there at this point. Why are they there? Because I've already looked through several pipes and there was a bit of something in all of them somewhere, and of course that shouldn't be the case. Yes, leading them out is exactly the same. We'll get there again and roll up the cable, so I'll run a little extra in here. Then it's easier. I can give you that as a tip, and otherwise you have to be careful, of course, depending on how twisted and convoluted the pipes are down there. You have to go back and forth a bit with the cable. But it's actually quite easy, as you can see. We're coming right here at this point. It's not so easy now. We have to go back and forth a bit here. Back and forth, and then, bang, we've freed the camera so that we can go further back. So it's a really cool thing. The cable is really ultra cool. It really works perfectly. And depending on what you're doing, what kind of checks you're doing, especially here with me, in this case with the house construction, it's of course ideal for carrying out a check here and there. It is again. The camera comes back. Here you can also see another pipe where we looked inside to see what was in there, and you can also see a thick stone lying in there. And that is of course very bad. But thanks to the centering brush that I showed you at the beginning of the video, We had the opportunity, as you can see, to simply push this stone further forward, and the cable is also strong enough for this, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, I have now packed up the device again after the work is done. This is what the whole thing looks like here. Really well protected in this ultra-cool case. So, that was my review here of the PCE-VE 380N. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. See you next time, and ciao.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.